Hi, it's Yummy King once again, and today I will be cooking one of the Philippines' favorite dishes, beef tapa. The original tapa is a dried or cured meat similar to jerky, preserved by smoking like tinapa, literally prepared by smoking. From generations to generations, Filipino modify the way of cooking tapa as shown on this video. It is usually served with fried rice, sunny side up, or over easy egg. It sometimes comes with achara, which means pickled green papaya strips, or sliced tomato as side dish, and spiced vinegar for dippings. Without more ado, I will show you my version of beef tapa. So let's start cooking.